What's up, YouTube? It's Victoria, and if you're new here, thank you for watching. Maybe hit that subscribe and a thumbs up and everything, right? Anyways, I like making videos about beauty, psychology, and what's in my bag, okay? And today I have the Boxy Charm Premium. So if you want to see what I got in my box, keep on watching. So all I did was, just like with my first Boxy Luxe for September, I went ahead and just cut it. So I'm excited. I want to see what I got. Okay, and Boxy Premium. All right, so this is, I'm assuming the 12 means that it's collection 12, or you know what combination there is. So got quite a few things in here. I'm super excited to see. All right, so first thing is an ice roller. Okay, so I've heard of this. So basically what you do, kind of like those rose quartz rollers, the rollers help with lymphatic drainage, to kind of like tighten the pores, relieve redness and such. So you put them in the freezer, and this metal part here, and that's actually really cool right now. You put it in the freezer, and then about like maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, each one of these are different. So it says for a few minutes. I want to say for maybe about 5 minutes, you want to let it sit out, so that way you're not putting like immediately frozen product, especially metal, to your skin. And you want to roll it in a certain direction. Okay, this is a suggestion here with where to roll. So in that way it helps with drainage, and it helps to kind of remove some toxins out of your skin, out of your face. We have lymph nodes everywhere, people. It's almost like dry brushing. Okay, dry brushing does work, but you have to do it every day. All right, so the ice roller, the Kish ice roller is $18. So high quality surgical steel, helps calm inflammation, increase blood flow, circulation, alleviates sore muscles. Ooh, I'm gonna use it on sore spots, tension, headaches, daily use. Okay, so, and that was $18. All right, let's see what's next here. All right, got Stila Cosmetics, the Smudge Stick waterproof eyeliner. I really love my eyeliners, so let's see. Benefits. Once it sets, long wearing formula, won't budge or fade, close cap tightly, pencil does not retract. So I wonder if it's one of those ones where if you don't seal all the way through, it'll just dry out the liner, and then you're just kind of screwed. But, oops, sorry, struggle, one hand. Okay, so it's a black liner. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Let's see here. Okay, so I kind of poked it into my hand, but it goes on very, very smooth. It is a nice bold black for pencils. So actually, I am super excited to try this, especially in the waterline. If you tight line your inner rim to your upper lid, or even your lower and stuff, I'm excited to see how that works in that area, and if it runs all over the place and you end up with raccoon eyes, or if it actually stays. So that's exciting. I am going to try that tomorrow. The Stila pencil goes to about, or runs $22. All right, let's see what's next here. Okay, ooh, I got the Queen Eloise collection. The Queen Lies in All of Us eyeshadow palette. It's a nice weighty palette too. It's nice and heavy. All right. The Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. I like that. It's a 20 pigment palette, different textures. All right, so let's take a look and see how that works. Ooh, And look at these names. Like, and so this is a white light. Obviously, this is the flash or the light on my camera. Here, look at that. That Empire is a beautiful rose gold with like silver mica in it. The My Lady. Look at that Queen. Oh my God. How that was just glistening with like blue and purple. Yeah. We are going to be trying some pretty awesome colors, okay? Especially the Sheba Kingdom and all that for fall, and then adding a pop of color. Oh, this is gonna be exciting. Best fall yet. My birthday's on the following Sunday, people, so on the 27th, so I'm excited. Do my little birthday look. Oh, I forgot to see the price. Eloise palette. That is $46, and I can see I will try out, test out the pigments, do some swatches and such in another video. Okay. All right, this one is the Milk Makeup. What are you? Ooh, highlighter. You can never have enough highlighter. Let's see how we can open this without going too spastic. All right, be right back. Oh man, that was a little struggle. Okay, so right on the top, I've never had Milk product, like a full size product before, so it's my first time. You see that the color is called Lit, and obviously it is a full size. Okay, it's nice and heavy, nice and weighty. Look at how beautiful that color is, and look at this shimmer in it. Okay, this one I have to swatch without blemishing the top. Oh, okay, so speaking of blemishing the top, really? Okay. Look at this gorgeousness right here. That is really pretty. Even with the light off. Okay, well, maybe not with the light off, but with the light on, imagine putting this in the right spots, your right highlight spots, bridge of your nose, the high points of your cheeks, your Cupid's bow. That would absolutely be stunning. So maybe like all of the stuff that I received in my Boxy boxes already so far, I'll utilize for my birthday, for my birthday look. All right, so Milk Makeup. This highlighter is $28. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, Ole Hendrickson. I love their product. If you watch any of my other videos, I use their Banana Bright Eye Cream. I also received the Banana Bright Face Primer. It is amazing stuff. It has vitamin C in it, collagen, so it kind of plumps up your skin, making it smooth, especially if you have fine lines and wrinkles. And there's like I don't want to say a highlight per se, but it definitely evens out imperfections. Okay, so this one is called the Transform Plus Fat Glow Facial. Okay, exfoliates, illuminates. Ooh, I love me some stuff. PHAs. Okay, so polyhydroxy acids, retexturize. Okay, so it's kind of like alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy acids, to kind of resurface the skin, remove dead skin cells. I wonder if this is gentler than AHA or BHA. Because, you got to watch some of these acids, man, because sometimes that could be really irritating to the skin if you use too much of it or leave it on too long. All right, so apply an even layer to clean, dry face. Massage until it transforms from pink to white. Leave on 15 minutes. Remove a damp cloth. Use twice per week, day or night. All right, so we're gonna have to try this. Ooh, and it's a pump. It's Fabulous Friday, so we gotta do our self-care. And that's been my routine that I've been trying to implement is, focusing on right after work, when I come home for Friday. Sorry, please excuse my daughter. When I come home from work on Fridays, I make it a point to spend like half an hour or an hour with myself, whether it's like self-beautification, meditating. That's part of self-care. Okay, and it's super important, so I'm gonna have to try that as well. Let's see, Ole Hendrickson, $50. All right, what's up? And then we got this last one. It's called Emma Hardy. This is the Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Ooh, I'm into like my night skin treatment because, you know, I'm going to be 37. We got to watch our skin, right? Increase moisture, elasticity, balance, and antioxidant protection. Ooh, it's got omegas in it. Essential oil, so you'll get like an aromatherapy type level here too. Ooh, so this is gonna be exciting. See, that one was easy to open. What the hell, milk? Alright, so let's see. Ooh, it's orange. Brilliant facial oil. Okay, I want to see what else is in it. Why is it orange? 9 essential oils. I'm sure. Camelina, gold of pleasure oil. Powerful antioxidants. All right, I'm just gonna have to give that a go. Maybe I'll implement tonight after that mask. What do you think? After the mask? I'm thinking so. I love trying out new product and seeing what I can incorporate or be like the best routine for my skin. So this will be exciting. All right. And that is $55. All right. So we're looking at $96, 96 and 55. So that's 151. 151 and 18, 169. This is 197. 197 and 22. And please correct my math if I'm, you know, if it's incorrect, okay? This is, what did I say, 197? Okay, so this is 219. So I think $219 for a premium box that you pay $30-something for. I believe it's 35. I think that, you know, that balanced out. I mean, just with, let's see, just with that product, and that product, it overpays for the box itself. Okay, so I think that's pretty fair. So I'm excited to try my goodies. Thank you for unboxing with me. And if you have any other suggestions for movies, for videos, or, you know, other things that you want to see, other things you want me to talk about. I've had a few people come up and ask me to do some, you know, a psych video in particular. So that's in the works. Actually, it's in progress right now. We're going to be talking about anxiety, bipolar disorder, and depression, and especially to spikes in those areas of mental health and stuff because of Rona. It's there. Okay, so a lot of people are flared up. But anything else that you want me to kind of like go through, discover, anything you want me to try, just let me know down in the comment box below. And just as usual, watch, like, subscribe, and share. All right, stay safe with the whole Rona thing going on, and have a great weekend. Okay, bye guys.